My MacBook is dying. Let's see if I can resurrect it. Welcome back, tech heads. Okay, so I have literally never, ever done this before. And if I mess this up, I could literally ruin my computer forever. So my MacBook battery is shot. I'm going to attempt battery surgery on my own. Here, you read the instructions.
Step 1. Take all the screws off the back of the MacBook. Just make sure you keep the 2 screws next to the logo together, since they're shorter than the rest. Maybe get some cups to put everything in so you don't lose them. Why don't you just get Apple to do it?
Because Apple charges like $300 to fix this, and I'm cheap.
Okay. Step 2. Gently lift the battery connector off the motherboard. Carefully. Okay, now unscrew the 2 screws next to the connector.
Okay, so these ones right here?
Yep.
Hey, hopefully I don't screw this up. Get it? Because it's a screw.
Stupid dad jokes. Step 3. Time to remove the battery. So how are you going to get it out?
Ooh, I saw a trick online. If I take a piece of string, I can like wrap it around each cell and just yank back on it, and like it'll just slice through the glue. I can try that. So I'm gonna go grab some. Come on, guys, let's go, come on. Okay, so while we do this, I just want to remind you guys that, like I said before, if we mess this up, I literally could ruin my computer and I will lose all of my data. Like everything I have will be gone. Perfect, okay, so we're gonna link a video down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and back up your MacBook so you don't lose any of your data, all right? It's super safe and super easy, so go do that. Sick, okay, I got some, let's do it.
Okay, so how are we gonna do this?
Okay, so apparently if I go cell by cell, I wrap the string underneath like this, pull, and yeah, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Man, it's just hurting my fingers too.
Try a longer string.
Okay, I'll try a longer one. All right, longer string underneath, and come on, pull. All right, and it broke.
No duh. Can we just follow the instructions instead? It says to use alcohol to dissolve the glue.
I don't know, man. I don't drink alcohol.
Not that kind of alcohol, you dummy. Here, use this Goo Gone. It should work the same.
Okay, well, there's not a whole lot left, so let me just get a syringe and...
Okay, so just squirt some Goo Gone behind the battery to loosen the glue.
All right, there we go. Kevin, it's still stuck.
It says here to use a plastic card to get behind the battery cells.
Ooh, I've got an old Tim Hortons card I can use. Hashtag not sponsored, but you can sponsor me if you want. I want free coffee.
Well, if that ain't Canadian, I don't know what is. Use that prying tool you got with your screwdriver too.
Ooh, good idea. All right, I just want to make sure I gently pull on the cell. You don't want the battery to bust open because it could explode. Oh, dang, this thing's tough, man. Oh, looks like we're getting it. Just gotta pull a little bit more and perfect. There we go. Okay, that's one of them done. Okay. We just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 more.
Yeah, this is gonna take you a while.
Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna speed up the footage. So enjoy my struggles, okay? Battery montage. Okay, we're done, finally.
Yeah, you only destroyed the old battery in the process.
Well, excuse me for being a first-timer, Mr. Judgmental.
Well, hopefully you didn't break anything else.
Okay, just next step.
Step 4, scrape off the rest of the glue.
Easy, I'll just use some more Goo Gone and my prying tool. Okay, we're just gonna speed this up too. Glue scraping montage! Okay, all done.
You got a little something on your face.
Where? Here?
Never mind. Just grab the new battery.
Oh, okay, yeah, battery, okay.
Step 5. Take the new battery and peel off the plastic on the back.
Oh, perfect, there's more adhesive on this.
Okay, now make sure you line it up perfectly. Take your time.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah, good job.
Okay, so I can probably click the battery plugs back in place now. Okay, and screw the battery back in place.
Maybe give it a firm press just to make sure it's nice and stuck.
Okay, Kev, should we power it on now?
Maybe reassemble the bottom first.
Ooh, right. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm really nervous I might have messed this up because I think I might have used too much Goo Gone, but hopefully it powers on.
Step 6.
Okay, grab the base and the screws.
Remember to put the logo screws in last.
I know, jeez. Okay, last 2 and... All right, let's power this puppy on, hey?
$10 says it's busted.
Bet's on, $10 it is, bud. Okay, here goes. Tech-tastic. All right, Kev, pay up.
Gotta go.
Hey, come back here with my money.
Nope.
Hey, make sure you guys check out these fake AirPods that fooled Apple, okay? I'll be right back. Get back here, Kevin!